Today we'll talk about slicing in Python. Suppose a list is given and we need to slice it, but before moving on to it, we need to understand list slices made of 3 portions, which are start, stop, and step. So now if we want to slice the list from 4 to 8 and print it, then we need to understand this is the 0th position, then 1, then 2, then 3, and this is 4th. And this is the 8th position, but we need to understand in stop portion it will always be n-1. So the slice should be from 5 to 8. Now by running this code we can verify the answer. From beginning we didn't use the step portion for better understanding. But now if we add 2 in the step portion, then it just skip one cell and print the next one. So the answer will be 5 and 7. But what if the proportions start from -1? Then we need to know that 9 is in -1 position and there is no element in the right side, as there is no element to iterate, so it will simply print a null list. If you find this video informative, please subscribe.